In celebrity's birthday, today is the birthday of Jayceon Terrell Taylor, professionally known as The Game. The Game is an American rapper. He was born on 29th of November in 1979. Today is celebrating his birthday of 44 years old. He was born in California, Compton. The Game's first rap album was named Untold Story, which was released in 2004. Besides rap professional, The Game also appeared in several games like West Deep, which was released in 2006, Berry 2 in 2006, Tournament of Dreams in 2007, Big Snoop Dogg Presence in 2008, House of Alice in 2012, Beef Free in 2005, Death Before Dishonor in 2006, Black and Blue in 2006, Beef 4 in 2007. Wishing a happy birthday to The Game. Thank you for watching.